guys, so today I'm gonna be working on the Supermoto. Lighting's kind of bad. There we go. I'm gonna try to get all this wiring kind of cleaned up, straightened out, figure out where some of this stuff plugs into, like that, and then just kind of clean this all up. Yeah, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to take this radiator off so I can access these wires. And I want to figure out where like some of these hoses go, and then we'll be one step closer to getting this thing running. got the wiring cleaned up quite a bit. Got it all taped up. It's looking pretty good. You can hardly see it on that black on black, but I got it all kind of organized. Just cleaned up. I don't know where the hell these wires go to. That's the only thing that's throwing me off. There's literally no more wires up here I can figure out. And then we're trying to clean up this rat's nest, but I'm calling it good for now. And then my buddy did help me wrap the plastics. Got both of the side plastics wrapped in gloss black. But yeah, so hopefully tomorrow I can throw the swing arm on. Really tomorrow I'm gonna try to get this thing running. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.